chicks na po yung tirada na to. Chicks.
Oo, kumang ka na ko pa nag-record no.
Gano'n po.
Bulong na sa akin.
Gano'n man, professional ba rin na itong recording? Ma-open po tanoy. Oh, chicks na po ta. Yes, I look in your eyes. Why are you crying? Tell me now, tell me why you're feeling this way. I hate to see you so down, oh baby. Is it your heart too? It's breaking out to pieces, making cry, making you feel blue. Is there anything that I can do? Why won't you tell me? It hurts now, baby, and I'll do my best to make it better. Yes, I'll do my best to make your tears will go away. Just tell me where it hurts now, tell me, and I'll love you with a love so tender.
That takes a go.
Last. Para ginisip mo, chicks.
Na naman?
Yes. Back to the corner where I first saw you. Gone, camping in my sleeping bag. I'm not gonna move. Got some words on cardboard. Picture in my hand saying, if you see this girl, can you tell her where I am? Some try hand me money, they don't understand. I'm not broke, I'm just a broken-hearted man. I know it makes no sense. What can I do? How could I move on when I'm still in love with you? 'Cause if only you wake up and you're missing me,
And your heart started to wonder where the answer against me. Think maybe you can come back here to the place that we met.
and you see me in the corner of the street. Kada na, bagay ganun sa imo ha. I'm not moving. I'm not moving.
Yeah.
Policeman said, son, you can't stay here. I said, someone I'm waiting for. If a day, a month, a year, gonna stand your ground, even if rains or snows. If she changes her mind, this is the first place she will go. Cause if someday you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where earth I could be, thinking maybe you come back into the place that we meet, and you see me in the corner of the street. So you say bye to your fans already. You say goodbye to your fans. You say goodbye to your fans.
Bye, fans. Gusto mo din na?